Have you ever rubbed your eyes and wondered if what you're seeing is real? Welcome back to Clockwise Learning. We will showcase in this short video optical illusions, the tricky pictures. They use shapes, colors, and patterns to play games with your brain. These illusions can make straight lines look wiggly, small things seem big, and even make shapes appear that aren't really there. They are a fun way to see how our brains understand the world. Imagine a simple straight line but with a twist. Placing arrowheads, squares, or other shapes called cap ends at the end of the line can make the line length look shorter or longer. Even though it's the same line, our brains get tricked by the way the cap ends are placed. You will see set of 4 pairs of same length of lines. Pause and see the way the line lengths appear when cap ends are placed. This is called the Müller-Lyer illusion, which was created by Franz Karl Müller-Lyer, a German sociologist and psychologist. The Delboef optical illusion is named after the Belgian scientist Joseph Delboef. In this illusion, 2 identical circles appear different in size because they are placed inside larger circles of different sizes. The core principle of Delboef illusion holds true for various shapes like squares, stars, and even the combination of shapes. This illusion shows how our brain perceives size differently based on surrounding objects. Pause and see how this illusion helps us understand more about the workings of our own visionary system. An Italian psychologist, Gaetano Canizza, described a type of optical illusion where our brain perceives shapes that aren't actually drawn. You are seeing beautiful patterns with shapes in the middle that appear to be a square, triangle, diamond, hexagon, and star. But these shapes are not really there. They are created by the cut circles and the way they are arranged. Your brain is filling in the gaps and making you see a square or a triangle that isn't really there. This happens because our brain tries to find familiar patterns and complete shapes even when they are incomplete. The 4 segments in the middle are creating the beautiful art, and we see shapes that are not actually there. Ebbinghaus illusion is a sensory perception showing how our brains discern the size of things. Let us consider 2 orange circles of exactly same size. Now put one of those circles in the middle of some smaller circles and the other in the middle of some bigger circles. What do you see? It's like your brain is fooled into thinking the circle is smaller or bigger depending on what's around it. This happens because our brains use context to judge size. So even though the circles are the same size, they look different because of what's around them. Examples of this illusion are shown with other shapes too. The Hermann grid illusion is a visual phenomenon where dark blobs appear at the intersections of a high contrast grid as shown. These blobs vanish when directly looked at but reappear in peripheral vision. The illusion can occur with grids of various colors, though the contrast between the grid lines and the background is crucial for its visibility. This illusion highlights the complex mechanisms of human visual perception and contrast processing. The five captivating optical illusions you have seen not only inspire innovative art but also offer valuable insights into our perception, vision, and brain functions. Pause and see the illusions clearly for more insights. Hope you enjoyed the exploration of the fascinating interplay between visual art and cognitive science. We will meet again with more interesting topics.